Hey, and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to start things off with the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 concealer and foundation, and this is in the shade number 2. I haven't used this foundation in a while, but it's definitely one of my favorite ones. I love how it leaves my skin feeling really smooth. I don't personally think that the concealer is great for my skin, as I do get quite dark circles, so I do add a concealer on top of it as well. But I love the smell of this foundation. Easy to apply and blend out, and it gives my skin a great finish. I'm going to start things off with my Morphe Copper Spice palette, which is my favourite palette for nice warm brown tones, also with quite a few really nice shimmers in it. I like to mix the colours up a little bit just to be able to create that perfect colour to smoke out the eye. Also, I'm using my Morphe 35M Boss Mood palette, and I'm just going to use a couple of the greener shades in it. This is the amazing highlighter I've been using at the moment. I got it in my Birchbox a couple of months ago, and it's by Estate Makeup. I would highly, highly recommend getting it. So that's the video for you guys. I upload every Wednesday and Sunday. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a little comment down below, and also please give it a thumbs up. If you aren't already, please subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit that bell button so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Also, check out my Instagram page and also my Twitter page, and until next time guys, take care.